Is keeping track of all those keys, remotes, and tags in your dealership a challenge? Keys can get misplaced and even lost. A lost key can mean a lost sale. But lost keys can lead to more than lost sales. New keys and remotes are expensive to replace. There's liability for theft, mystery damage and mileage, and not knowing who's driving what car and how long those cars are out. But now there's an easy solution, the KeyBank system. KeyBank secures your keys and gives you peace of mind, all from this space-saving, wall-mounted cabinet. Because you control access, you control who uses the system, and you know where your keys are in real time. KeyBank secures your keys. It also records system access, gives you control by providing audit trails, as well as detailed, accurate reports, such as vehicle inventory reports, which provide real-time location of vehicles, as well as identifying the fast and slow movers in your inventory. Vehicle history reports allow you to track a vehicle's mileage and see how many times each vehicle is demoed. Employee history reports allow you to analyze the number of demo drives, determine the effectiveness of your sales team, know how many vehicles are out on loan, and with service department reports, you can evaluate a vehicle's records. Now that you know how KeyBank can help you, let's learn more about the product itself. KeyBank is the best-selling computerized key control system by Morse Watchmans, the world leader in key control and security management. You can access the KeyBank system in multiple ways: keypad, biometric fingerprint reader, magnetic card reader, proximity card reader, hand geometry reader, and a touchpad. Removing a key takes just 4 seconds using the keypad, card reader, or other access method. When you make your key selection, open the door. The illuminated key slots make locating a key easy. The system automatically locks and records system access and vehicle details. Returning a key is just as quick and easy. Use the keypad, card reader, or other access method. Open the door, place the key in any key slot. Close the door, and again, the system records user and key details. Putting keys on KeyBank tags is simple too. Just open the ring, insert the key, and close the tamper-proof key ring. And with KeyBank's reusable tags, you cut down on costs. The KeyBank steel cabinets are wired to alarm against tampering and can stand alone or be networked with the dealership's PC, network, or in-house system. The cabinet features 18-gauge steel, a 330-pound pick lock, a 300-pound pick-resistant plate, and a 72-hour battery backup. The KeyBank system is also expandable, meaning no limit to the number of cabinets you can use. And the key capacity is also unlimited, so you'll never run out of space. KeyBank is the perfect total key management system for your new or used car dealership, service department, or rental car fleet. No dealership is too large or small to benefit from the KeyBank system and the peace of mind knowing that their keys are safe, secure, and accounted for.